dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. I did not have time to talk to you guys this morning. I'm so sorry I was running late. If you are new here, I do have a handful of you that are new. Welcome. My name is Nacine. I am 37. I've lost just over 78 pounds on keto. I've been doing keto for almost 1 full year. It's coming up. November 1st is my keto-versary. Super excited. I have 4 beautiful kids. My son is almost 18. He will turn 18 in March. My daughter is 12. She will be 13 in February. And then I have 2 boys that are 10 years old that will be 11 in November, and they are twins. I have a floofy fluffy husky who will be 2 years old in November, and 2 kitties. I do mostly keto vlogs. I do meal preps occasionally, keto hauls, keto reviews, keto, keto. I do keto things. Sometimes I do tags, whatever. But today is just a keto vlog, and I share with you what I'm eating in the day, as well as everything else. So this morning I had a hot coffee. It was from Bones Coffee Company. It was the chocolate orange. Whew, delicious. I love it. I just put probably about a tablespoon of pure in it, and then maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I drink that, and then I also do a cold iced coffee that I drink throughout the day, so I'm just finishing that right now. And I prepared that yesterday. I made the Frankenbones, which is a chocolate hazelnut, which is also from Bones Coffee Company, as a cold brew. And Aaron was right, it is so much better cold. So much. The flavor comes out so much more. And I did the same thing to that as I did with the chocolate orange, just a little bit of pure and some vanilla almond milk. So with the almond milk that I'm putting in my coffee, it's not enough to break a fast unless you're fasting for autophagy, but I'm just doing intermittent fasting, and it doesn't break your fast. The almond milk is so low calorie. You can go up to 50 calories before you break your fast. So I've definitely stayed under the 50 calories every day when I do this. And then I go until lunchtime, which this is the last keto chow that I have. So next week is gonna have to be actual food, because I do not have the money to order any more keto chow right now. So I also completely ran out of avocado oil, and that's what I like to use instead of heavy whipping cream now, because with my psoriasis on my elbows, I've noticed that the heavy whipping cream, the more I consume, it kind of irritates that. And so I'm just kind of avoiding it, using it sparingly. I've not actually used any in a really long time since I've been using the almond milk in my coffee and everything. So I used butter. Now, I've only used butter one other time, and I didn't necessarily care for it. So I don't know how it's gonna be in this. I can already tell this is very thin, and I like my keto chow to be thicker. So what we're gonna see together. I also burnt my tongue on my stew last night, and that was amazing stew. And I can actually see that there's a chunk of butter floating in here. So even though I mixed it with hot water and I shook it up, I thought I got all the butter, but I guess I didn't, because hi butter. It's not bad. I would prefer it to be thicker. I would also prefer for the butter to be completely melted. So I don't even know. I can only see the little tip of it. So I don't know how big that chunk is, but it's not bad. It definitely, it tastes like chocolate. It tastes kind of like cold hot chocolate because of how thin it is. Now usually my chocolate keto chow tastes more like, almost like a shake. And if you freeze it, like a Frosty, but that's okay. I still like how it tastes, so I'm still gonna drink it. Today is Friday. We're gonna have leftovers for dinner. We have plenty of that stew left over, and that's gonna be dinner. And then I work Saturday for a couple hours, and then I plan on, after work, headed to my boyfriend's. Now he will be working, but I think I'm gonna go he's gonna give me some money and I'm gonna buy him some Halloween decorations to decorate his house, because he wants his house to be decorated for his kid. You know, they don't really, he doesn't have any, and it's just, they're young, and so it's fun. And I love to decorate for Halloween. So I'll be able to go see him at work and then do the decorating, see him when he gets home, spend the night with him, and then I gotta leave first thing in the morning. That's what happens when we both have to work, and it sucks that I live so far away and blah, blah, blah. Anyways, I'm gonna drink my keto chow and I'm gonna talk to my boy. Hey guys, I'm home. I just pulled up. I'm gonna check my mail. I'm gonna go in the house. I'm gonna heat up my stew. I'm gonna take my pants off. I'm gonna put some jammy pants on. I'm gonna eat my stew. I'm gonna drink a nice cold Zevia. I'm gonna eat some salted caramel Rebel, because there's a little girl staring at me, and it's part 2 of the Shane, Dawson, and Jeffree Star. I'll see you if I get anything in the mail. I think I'm supposed to get something today. Maybe. I'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, this is dinner. I made a salad with some shredded cheddar cheese, Olive Garden, Parmesan Italian, salami, pepperoni, green olives, and then I have some of the stew from yesterday heated up. I'm gonna wash it down with a Zevia, and I'm gonna get ready to watch Shane and Jeffree. And then Tiffany's gonna go to the homecoming game, so I'll probably vlog again. Here I am, looking funny as heck, because I have a headset on and a hoodie up on top of it. It's cold. Doesn't help that I'm about to dive into the salted caramel. And I'm watching The Secrets of the Beauty World. I look really silly. Also, can I just say that the Rebel salted caramel ice cream is beyond what I ever thought it would be. It's freaking amazing. Run and get it now. Ask me how I feel about dropping my 12-year-old daughter off at her first homecoming football game. Her first school football game, period. I feel very weird about it. Not that, like, I don't trust her, but it's like kind of the first time she's been dropped off at something to do without like a family member or something like that. So I kind of feel like a little nervous. I don't know. This is a horrible angle. I'm so sorry, but I didn't stick this up on the dash. So I'm kind of just, I don't know. I have to work in the morning, and I'm like, now I have to stay up, and I have to wait for her to call, and I have to hope she doesn't get any trouble while she's there. You guys, I didn't go through this with Corey, because Corey is almost 18 and Corey has never gone like really anywhere. He's never done things like this. I've never had to deal with him like going out and like going to a friend's house or anything. Corey is a very good kid. He just stays home. Not saying Tiffany's a bad kid, but I'm just now experiencing like teenage things with Tiffany, because Corey's not a normal teenager, let me tell you. Corey is a saint child. Alright guys, I'm home. It's 7:38. I'm going to close out the vlog and I'm going to edit. I ate my soup and my salad so fast and then chugged a Zevia, and I don't know if it's just me, but Zevia makes me burp like Godzilla T-Rex hybrid burps. They are massive, and so now I can feel all that air just like in me. Like, it's not like I'm not bloated, but it's like there. I can feel it, and I need to get it out. So I am going to get this video edited, take a shower, try to prepare for tomorrow the best I can, because I have to go to work, and then from work I'm going to Chris's for the night. So gotta get stuff ready, so I better hurry up. Alright guys, I hope you guys are having an amazing night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.